Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly feeling your engine stumble while your gas gauge drops faster than usual. If your vehicle has triggered the trouble code P02A5, you are looking at a potential leaking fuel injector specifically for cylinder number 3. This is a generic powertrain diagnostic code that shows up on most modern cars and trucks on the road today. When this code hits, it means your powertrain control module has noticed that the third cylinder is not getting the right amount of fuel because the injector is likely stuck open or dripping when it should be sealed tight. Fuel injectors are incredible pieces of technology that have to deliver fuel at a precise pressure and in a very specific spray pattern to keep your engine running smooth. The computer stays on top of this by watching the oxygen sensors in your exhaust and tracking exactly where the crankshaft and camshaft are at every split second. If the computer sees a lean condition on one side of the engine and matches it up with the timing of cylinder number 3, it sets this code and turns on that annoying check engine light. You should treat this as a severe problem because a leaking injector causes a lean fuel mixture that can lead to permanent damage to your cylinder head or even a total engine failure if left alone. You might notice your car just does not have the same get up and go anymore, or you might see your miles per gallon take a huge hit. Sometimes you will even get other codes for engine misfires. To start fixing this, you should first handle any issues with your mass airflow or manifold air pressure sensors as they can trick the computer. Take a good look at the fuel rail near cylinder number 3 and search for any signs of wet fuel or green corrosion on the outside of the injector. If everything looks dry, grab an automotive stethoscope or even a long screwdriver and touch it to the injector while the engine is running. You should hear a steady and clear clicking sound as the internal solenoid opens and closes. If the sound is weak or not there at all, that injector is likely toast. You can also use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for constant battery voltage on one side and a ground pulse from the computer on the other. If you find no power, check your fuses and relays while the engine is running because some fuses only fail when they are under a real load. If you are not comfortable working around high-pressure fuel lines that can spray gasoline everywhere, this is the perfect time to head to a certified technician.